In this video, I'll show you how to use Perplexity AI to quickly generate a professional and compelling value proposition for any business idea. Let's get started. First, I head to the Perplexity homepage and click into the main search bar to enter my prompt. I'm typing in a request for a value proposition for a boutique accounting firm that specializes in tax returns for digital nomads and remote workers. After I click the Submit arrow, the AI begins thinking and pulls together a comprehensive brand identity called Nomad Tax Pro. The results highlight a core value of delivering personalized tax strategies tailored to location-independent lifestyles, while detailing unique benefits like maximized refunds and seamless remote access. It even suggests a section for proven results, giving me a professional foundation that effectively communicates the firm's specific expertise in a niche market. Next, I want to try a different concept, so I'll move down to the follow-up bar at the bottom of the screen. This time, I'm asking the AI to generate a value proposition for a mobile app called QuickSit, which connects parents with background-checked local babysitters. Once I hit Submit, Perplexity instantly outlines a core value focused on revolutionizing childcare by providing parents with trusted on-demand support. The output breaks down unique selling points like instant matching and top-tier safety protocols, explaining how the app provides peace of mind through a stress-free and flexible user experience. This detailed response provides all the key messaging needed to build out a marketing strategy or a pitch deck in just a few seconds. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.